That's right, I'm closing down my business. Kind of. Hear me out on this one. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 5 years, and now I'm closing down my business in a sense that I am no longer working specifically with beginners with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is no longer my main thing. Hear me out. Let me explain the story here a little bit. And also, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a big benefit for you from watching this and how it's going to help you make even more money. Even if you're a current subscriber and you're still doing affiliate marketing or thinking about affiliate marketing, I have something 10 times better, okay? So I'm not just closing down my business and I'm leaving you guys all in the dust. I have some amazing and great ideas for those of you guys as subscribers who want to come forward with me and move into the future and do something big and amazing. I'm going to show you exactly and talk to you exactly about how my system works now for making serious money online in 2024 and beyond. But it's not going to be for everybody. I'm going to talk to you about that in a little bit. First, why did I come to this decision? I'm no longer going to be working specifically with the 9-to-5ers and helping them do affiliate marketing. Why am I moving away from that? If in the last few years it's made me over $2 million, I have multiple awards back there, a lot of that and all that good stuff, and I've gained a lot of respect and notoriety and all that good stuff in this industry. A lot of the big names even look to me for advice, even though I have a smaller audience than them. Go figure. But I want to talk to you a little bit about why I got to this point, what actually happened. First of all, I always loved the idea of helping people out of the 9-to-5, quit their job and become fully financially free, right? I've always loved that idea because I feel I definitely relate to that person. They feel like they're in a prison. And for those of you who's the first time on this channel, you know my story. Well, those of you who've been on this channel know my story, but this is my story. Long story short, I spent 7 years in prison, and when I came home, my only real outlet to start some kind of a business or make money online thing was affiliate marketing. I didn't have my own products. I didn't have my own ideas. I wasn't any genius or smart or anything. And it took me a good 8 months to even make my first dollar online. So it was a lot of perseverance. A lot of the gurus won't tell you the downside of the story. They tell you everything's fast and easy. Affiliate marketing was not fast and easy, okay? It was very difficult for me, and it probably would be very difficult for you if you're watching this, you're a beginner, you're looking at affiliate marketing. Maybe you stumbled on my channel. Maybe you've been a subscriber for a while, and you're like, man, I'm trying to piece this thing together. Affiliate marketing is really hard, especially for someone that has no experience with marketing, no business, no nothing. For that 8 months, I was studying my head off. I was working really, really hard, late nights, buying courses, coaches. Like, I was really trying to piece that puzzle together. I sacrificed everything possible, time, energy, money, everything, to try to figure out that affiliate marketing stuff. It finally worked after 8 months, and then I started hitting those 10K months and seeing more consistency that everybody talks about. And then I was able to quit my job, but it did not happen overnight. That being said, why that's very important is when I decided to become a coach after about 2 years of just being an affiliate, and people kept asking me to coach them, right, to help them out, and I started charging for my services, I started realizing everyone is not built the same. My back was against the wall. I was going to make something work no matter what. That's why I was able to stick to it for 8 months, and it finally popped off. Now that I'm looking back and I can successfully connect the dots to my success, I can tell you one thing. All of that 8 months of work where I made no money was still very important. See, the average beginner, the average person trying to make money online will work for just 30 days and put in work into their business and say, oh, it's not going anywhere. I haven't seen any sales. Shut it down. I'm done. The problem with that is that's not reality. That is just not how it works. I gave myself a full 8 months before I even saw $1. $1. And thank God I did, because almost 5 years later, here we are recording this video, and I've now made $2 million plus online, awards and all that good stuff, and one of the top affiliates and multiple different courses and things like that. And a lot of the big names know me, and I've gotten somewhere. Great, I've gotten somewhere. That's awesome. But it took a lot of hard work. And so when I decided to start coaching people, yes, I could coach people to success. I know my framework. I know everything that I'm doing, and I can give you all the knowledge that I personally learned myself and give you all those shortcuts. What I found, though, is that unfortunately, while we have some bad gurus out there who will lie and cheat and steal and all that good stuff and be, naughty players in the game, the entire make money online business world, industry, affiliate marketing, MLM, network marketing, they're all cousins, all of it. Only about 10%, I'm just throwing a number out there, of people in that market, and hopefully it's you. You're looking into this stuff because you're dead serious. Most people, meaning like the other 90%, are just playing around. If you've been a subscriber to this channel for a long time, I love you. Thank you for subscribing. But if you haven't started your business, why not? Is it time to just say it's really not that important? And that's okay. Business is just not for everybody. I used to think it was. I used to think that anyone could just start a business and be successful. To a degree, I still kind of believe that. You will be successful if you just put in the work, but I think mentally most people aren't cut out for it. Because mentally most people, especially, let's be honest, with the 9 to 5, they've been brainwashed into thinking that if I work, I am due my money. Unfortunately, right, because you work and you get your paycheck, you get the immediate reward. Unfortunately, in business, it does not work that way. Business does not give a shit how much work you put in. That's the sad truth. I don't care how much work you put in. You tried, it didn't work. It will work. You haven't figured out something yet. Business only cares about how you are able to convey your value to the marketplace. If you're either not conveying enough value, no value at all, or you're BSing yourself and you're putting in a lot of work, but you're really not doing anything. You're looking for gimmicks. You're looking for get rich quick schemes. That's not value, okay? The only value there is the guru's making money off of you. But that's neither here nor there. How did I get to this point? This all ties in because I honestly got really exhausted. Now, we got some great results in the affiliate franchise, my offer that skyrocketed most of my success. It was my best offer, my best coaching program. We did great. A lot of people did really well, but most people didn't. And as I looked around the industry and I started to get to know other coaches, other mentors, and how they kind of deal with this, how do I deal with like the 80, 90% who are just falling behind, failing, whatever, putting in, quitting on their business? How do I get them motivated? Because I know this is going to change their life. They say, Joel, you just gotta live with it. That's just the make money online world. Most people are just not that serious. They want shortcuts. They want, get rich quick. They want push a button. They want done for you. They want this. And all those things make money. All those things are successful products that you see all over the marketplace. All you see in the make money world is like it gets easier and faster and quicker. And it's like success doesn't really work that way. All of us at the top know that. I felt uncomfortable constantly raising the bar to how fast and easy things can be and blah, 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 blah. Right? And constantly fighting everyone else for how fast and easy we can make it. And I can make it pretty fast and easy, but I noticed that I was attracting the wrong crowd when I would say those things. I was attracting people that didn't want to do any work at all and still see the rewards. And eventually, as a coach who actually cares about the success of their clients, that's the key. Many coaches you'll hire in that space, unfortunately, they want the money. They don't care about your results. I truly care about all of my clients' results. I would lose sleep over it. I got stressed out over it. Hell, I had a panic attack over it. I was really, really, truly up all night, dedicated to my clients, and I tried my hardest. But like that old saying goes, you can't lead a horse to water, right? To drink, all that good stuff. But anyway, so my point is, after a while, that got so exhausting, and I went back to the drawing board, especially after my panic attack. That was really scary. I said, I need to build a business by design. Or what ends up happening is what did happen. It was built by default. I listened to all the bad advice, build big sales teams, have all these complicated funnels, webinars, and running ads and doing big Facebook group stuff, 85 setters on my team. I just listened to whatever anyone said in the coaching world now that taught me how to scale a business. That if you know how to scale a business, I'll just buy your program. I didn't care. I just wanted to scale. All I had in my mind was I need to make $100,000 a month easily. And once I got to that point, guess what, guys? I was miserable. I was sitting in meetings back to back all day long, managing a team, fires going out all day long. One customer's complaining they want a refund. Another one wants a chargeback. That we got to deal with that stuff. A setter or two had said the wrong thing to the wrong person and now they're mad. Customer service reps are not giving people refunds on time and they're mad. And it's fires, constantly going blazing all day long. Not to mention, I'm also still doing one-on-one in my program. Many coaches will think that's dumb, but again, I cared about people's success. So I would jump on calls in case people needed me. Most of the time, coaches get into coaching to really help people. Of course, the money was great, and it's like, that's awesome. I want to scale as much as I can and all that good stuff. That's wonderful. But I got to the point in my business where I was truly miserable. Imagine having all that money that most people say they want to have and all that, and I was miserable. I had no time with my family. I was working overtime all the time. Hopefully YouTube doesn't take this down. It's kind of gross, but I had a pee bottle next to my desk over here because I couldn't even leave this office to go and use the bathroom. Okay, it got bad. So I'm here to announce that I am now switching to working with coaches because you're always best equipped to fix the problems you once had. And when I ran into that buzzsaw of making like 6 figures a month in my coaching business, it's like, wow, there has to be a better way to do this, because it was an enormous amount of work. And for those of you who need credibility and all that, coaches watching this, 2 Comma Club Award, $1 Million System IO Award, very, very blurry there, but you can see the Clients and Community 6-figure group award. So I built the Facebook group. We had giant Facebook group, a very hot converting funnel. We were just killing it. We were crushing it. So this isn't coming from a coach who's like barely starting. I've been there, I've done that, and I can tell you what I've done is I've invented a way that is much simpler to scale. No complexity. And I'm talking about coaches like me who are more where we want to work with our clients. We want to make sure they get the results. We're workaholics for our clients, but we don't necessarily want to build a big team and worry about pushy sales tactics and whatnot. I call it my community growth engine. I took a little bit of what I learned at Clients and Community. What they do and the principle about it, a relationship-based selling, is still awesome. And in fact, it's the best way to go about business now as a coach online. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, have been subscribed for a long time, you see the direction I'm going in. I am no longer helping you with affiliate marketing. So do not join any of my communities, my free communities, my paid communities, expecting I'm teaching affiliate marketing. I'm no longer teaching affiliate marketing. Most of the videos on this channel will be unlisted in order for me to focus and move into my new space. I'm helping coaches that were like me just a year and a half ago when I was looking to scale and build a team and all that stuff. It's so many headaches involved with it. And now that I look back and I connect the dots, guys, we're talking, and this is for the coaches now, we're talking one simple ad. I call it my micro budget ad strategy. All of the big ad strategies that all the coaches and all the agencies told me to do, they were super expensive. Our ROI got lower and lower. Our show rates got worse and worse, right? Because you're depending on all this cold traffic. It's horrible. So instead, we use one simple ad that literally you can spend like $5-10 a day on, and it equals great ROI, amazing ROI. Okay, one simple ad strategy, one simple, very simple community. Right? We use school. We don't use Facebook. I think Facebook groups are dead. I did the Facebook group thing. Yes, we scaled to 6 figures very quickly in about 2 months when we moved to a Facebook group with Clients and Communities help. I believe in what they teach over there. I don't believe in the mechanism. I think Facebook groups are super hard now, super congested, super difficult to get people's attention. School is a million times better. They've improved the Facebook group in every way possible. So I show you how to use school to not only build a program, a coaching program, in which you can scale it, right? You can serve as many people as you possibly can, but also give some of your one-on-one time to those clients who you really want to help succeed, and maybe they pay a little bit extra. I show you how to structure this new age coaching program that allows you to have the best of both worlds, and a small team. We're talking 3-4 members on your team maximum to scale all the way past $50K per month, which I've been able to do myself with a smaller team. I started firing my team. I started cleaning things up. I started making things much more simple and streamlined. Okay? So That's exactly where we're at now. If you are that coach and you're struggling somewhere around 10K per month, you're doing all the work yourself, you're looking to scale, but every way you've looked to scale kind of looks like a pain in the butt, or if you tried it before, of big funnels and all this systems and all that stuff. I show you how to get rid of the systems. We don't use any funnels. We use very simple strategies as far as paid ads, and we will hire maybe 1 or 2 people in the very beginning just to get you to scale past the 30K per month mark. And then we'll talk about how to get past that. But it's super simple. A lot of the coaches in this space, my God, if I could go back and just not listen to the bad advice, there's a lot of bad advice. Okay, those coaches are big system builders. If you want to build something that's super simple and streamlined and still scale, join my community down below. Okay, it's called the Income Automation Academy, specifically tailored to coaches who are looking to scale without complexity. Okay, again, if you're an older subscriber, you were looking at Make Money Online, give it a chance. Maybe the answer is not right selling other people's stuff. That hasn't worked for you. You're falling into all these systems, gimmicks, all that stuff. I have so far been able to take some of my old clients who were affiliates, and I've taught them how to create their own coaching program, launch their own offer, and be able to quickly start to hire some people. I'll start posting on here some of their success stories where we're already working privately and they're doing super well. So you don't have to be experienced to do this. However, I do want some experienced coaches who can come in here, take their offer. We're going to make sure it's freaking rock solid, and then we're going to put it out there with our new system, simplified system. We're talking micro budget ads, no funnels, tiny team, and income automation. We use a lot of AI and automation to replace all of that hard work that I used to do. You don't want to do all that stuff. Okay, so we've stripped down everything, and we call this whole way of doing things is scaling without complexity. So if that's you, if you're that coach, join down below. I have a free community and I have a paid community. Obviously, the paid community is going to have a lot more training, coaching calls, and all that stuff. But the free community, you can even get to know a little bit more about my system and how it works. So join down below. I'll see you in there. I'm the infamous Joel. Again, 7+ figures in the Make Money Online space, in the affiliate marketing space. I do B2C. I've done B2C for a long time. A lot of big guru coaches, they work with B2B. They can tell you whatever they want. Their stuff is easy, okay? One thing I realized when I was going around and booking calls with all these coaches and all that stuff, their business is easy. So when they tell you they made 100K a month, they're working with businesses. I actually work with normal consumers, half the time really broke people. So if you're like, man, it must be really easy to them, I worked with only regular people for almost 5 years actually, and I made $2 million. So easy peasy, okay? I know how to book anybody, businesses, consumer, B2C, B2B, you're a coach, and you're struggling around that 10K mark. I know what it's like. I know the grinding. I know posting every day. I know all that stuff. Let's get you out of that. Let's get you an easy way to scale. Okay, there's too many very complicated scaling systems out there. Let me show you mine. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.